Welcome back to Motor Maze, your trusted spot for all the latest buzz from the world of cars and trucks. Today we're diving into a surprising but exciting new addition to Toyota's global lineup, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Pickup. Yes, you heard that right. Toyota is bringing the iconic Corolla name into the compact pickup scene, blending practicality, efficiency, and a bit of rugged attitude into one unique package. Let's break down everything you need to know. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Pickup is built on the same TNGA-C platform as the Corolla Cross and Corolla Sedan, which means it shares the same DNA, but gets a utility-focused transformation. The exterior design is compact and modern, ideal for urban drivers who still want truck-like versatility. At the front Toyota badge at the center, the bumper is slightly more muscular than the standard Corolla, hinting at its utility nature. The side profile shows off a short bed with clean lines, practical wheel arches, and 17 to 18-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim. The rear features LED taillights, a wide tailgate with the Corolla branding, and a sturdy step bumper. While it's smaller than your typical mid-sized truck, the Corolla Pickup is designed to handle light hauling and daily driving with ease, making it a perfect fit for city users who want a mix of car-like comfort and pickup functionality. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that's familiar to anyone who's been in a modern Corolla. The interior is clean, ergonomic, and well-equipped. Soft touch materials on higher trims, a new 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 7-inch or optional 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster give the cabin a tech-forward feel. There's seating for up to 5, with good legroom in the front and decent space in the rear for a compact pickup. Dual-zone climate control, heated front seats, push-button start, wireless charging, and a premium audio system are available on upper trims. Toyota also offers practical interior storage spaces, cup holders, and USB-C ports, making it both a daily commuter and a weekend hauler. Under the hood, the 2026 Corolla Pickup keeps it efficient. The standard engine is a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder gas engine producing around 169 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque, paired with a CVT gearbox. There's also a hybrid option featuring a 1.8-liter engine with Toyota's proven hybrid system, delivering around 138 combined horsepower and excellent fuel economy, expected to be close to 40 mph, making it one of the most fuel-efficient pickups on the market. While not built for hardcore off-roading or heavy towing, it can handle small loads, home improvement hauls, and weekend adventures with ease. Front-wheel drive is standard, but an all-wheel drive option may be available on the hybrid variant for added traction and stability. Safety is, of course, a strong point. Toyota equips the Corolla Pickup with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as standard, including features like pre-collision braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign recognition, and automatic high beams. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are also available on higher trims. These features make it not just a smart choice for daily use, but a safe one too. As for pricing, Toyota is aiming to keep the Corolla Pickup affordable. The ADI base model is expected to start around $25,000, with hybrid and higher trims like the XLE possibly reaching up to $32,000. With its great fuel economy, reliable performance, practical design, and Toyota's solid reputation for durability, the 2026 Corolla Pickup is shaping up to be a game-changer in the compact truck segment, especially for drivers who want versatility without going big. That's all for today's update on Motor Maze. If you're as curious about this new Corolla Pickup as we are, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss a ride. See you in the next one.